can't just let a bystander, no matter what they claim to do, come in and start being part of the scene, especially if they believe that George Floyd is a danger. Do you think that Eric Nelson was able to make that point effectively?
I think he did what he could, but it really speaks to the larger issue in our country and our communities. I mean, we hear so much about community policing, and you have this view, you have this policing method where it's like an occupying army. And so the way in which these police officers treated George Floyd is if he was an enemy. They bring out the gun right away as he's pleading that he can't breathe, that he needs water, that, okay, I'll get on the ground. That's fine. They are still applying force to him. So while it may not be directly answering your question, I apologize for that. You have community members who are trying to help. Yeah, while you might not let them do the chest compressions, you might not look at them as this unruly mob and look at them as expressing genuine concern that a man's life is being taken from them in front of their eyes, and work with the community to say, okay, we've called the paramedics, we're going to give him help right now, and communicate with them instead of being hostile towards them and taking out his mace as Derek Chauvin did. And I was amazed that Eric Nelson made a point of that in closing argument, that he took out his mace. It showed Chauvin's mindset that he's looking at these people as the enemy instead of the community.